Hello everyone, and welcome to our video tutorial. I'll guide you through the installation of the latest Rinden 3rd generation home energy storage product model 280L. This advanced system features cutting-edge air switch and load balancing technologies, offering high efficiency, stability, and safety. It will help you manage your home energy more effectively, making your life more convenient and eco-friendly. Let's get started with the installation. Before we start, ensure that you have purchased the Rinden 280L energy storage product suitable for your home needs, and have all necessary tools ready, such as a power screwdriver. Also, make sure the installation environment is dry, well ventilated, and free from flammable materials to ensure safety. Once you open the package, carefully inspect the device and its components for any damage. Unpack all parts and check the components list to ensure everything is complete and undamaged. If you encounter any issues, please contact our customer support team immediately. Note that the lithium batteries need to be purchased separately, as they are a crucial part of the storage system for energy storage. Choosing high-quality lithium batteries is essential for optimal performance and longevity of the system. Next, follow the diagrams in the instruction manual to correctly install the battery pack in the designated location. Since the battery pack is heavy, ensure it is securely mounted and avoid any impact to prevent damage or safety hazards. Once the battery pack is installed, proceed to connect the cables. Follow the markings in the installation manual carefully to ensure safe and stable connections. Pay close attention to the cable connections and polarity to avoid mistakes. If possible, use testing tools to check voltage and resistance to ensure the energy storage system is functioning correctly. Finally, install the BMS battery management system. Each cable connector has a corresponding port. If you're unsure about the connections, refer to the installation manual for guidance. By following these steps, you'll successfully install the Rindian 280L home energy storage system. If you encounter any problems or need assistance during the installation, please contact our customer support team. We're here to help and support you. Good luck with your installation and enjoy a more efficient, convenient, and eco-friendly home energy management experience.